Click on the link below to get price. The Generac 5734 GP15000E is a powerhouse of a portable generator that stands out in both performance and durability. With a robust 15,000 watt capacity, this gas-powered generator is designed to tackle heavy-duty applications, making it an excellent choice for construction sites, outdoor events, or as a reliable backup source during power outages. One of the standout features of the GP15000E is its impressive 992 cubic centimeters engine, which delivers reliable and consistent power. The generator can run for up to 11 hours at half load, providing ample runtime for most needs. Additionally, the electric start feature simplifies the startup process, eliminating the hassle of manual pull starts, especially when you need power quickly. Durability is a hallmark of this generator. The steel tube frame and protective roll cage ensure the unit withstands rough handling and adverse conditions. Its large, solid tires facilitate easy maneuverability across various terrains, making it a convenient option for outdoor use. Moreover, the low oil shutdown feature protects the engine from damage, ensuring longevity and peace of mind. The control panel is user-friendly, with multiple outlet options, including 120V and 240V outlets, allowing you to connect various devices simultaneously. The built-in hour meter is a valuable addition, helping you keep track of maintenance intervals and ensuring optimal performance over time. Noise can be a concern with larger generators, but Generac has managed to keep this unit relatively quiet, especially considering its power output. While it's not whisper quiet, it's more manageable than some competitors in the same wattage range. In summary, the Generac 5734 GP15000E is an exceptional portable generator. It combines robust power, durability, and user-friendly features, making it a top choice for those in need of reliable backup or industrial-grade power solutions. Whether you're camping, hosting outdoor events, or preparing for emergencies, this generator is up to the task, ensuring you stay powered when it matters most.